At Nora, we decode the challenges of modern pool disinfection by developing anode technology that makes saltwater chlorination a safe, efficient, and user-friendly alternative to traditional chlorine tablets. Did you know that your pool can be chlorinated using just salt and electricity? Through electrolysis, our specially coated anodes convert salt into pure chlorine, generated directly in your pool exactly when and where it's needed. This means less chemical handling, no strong chlorine smell, and a swimming experience that's gentler on your skin, eyes, and hair. Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie Fleming, Global Product Manager for Pools and Denox Products at Nora. To define the impact of Nora's technology on pool disinfection is to recognize the value of a sustainable, proven solution that prioritizes both performance and people's well-being. Nora introduced its first DSA electrodes for pool applications in the early 1980s, and since then, they've become the most trusted standard in saltwater chlorination. Inside a salt chlorinator, the anode catalyzes the electrochemical reaction that transforms salt into active chlorine. After treating pathogens and organics, the chlorine naturally breaks back down into salt, completing a clean circular process. This approach drastically reduces the need to handle or store hazardous chemicals, making pool maintenance safer and more environmentally friendly. Nora's DSA electrodes are unique by design, engineered to deliver reliable, low maintenance, and sustainable performance in saltwater chlorination. One of the key innovations is our self-cleaning technology that allows the anode to automatically remove scale. This reduces maintenance and extends the life of a chlorinator, making everyday pool care easier and more efficient. I dedicate my career to continual learning, collaboration, and innovation. That journey began when I graduated with a degree in chemical engineering from The Ohio State University and joined the Nora team. From the very beginning, my colleagues have been supportive, ambitious, and empowering. I've been given the flexibility and freedom to grow while supporting products that I'm passionate about. To deliver results that matter, we focus on turning innovation into real-world performance. At Nora, I contribute to delivering smarter, safer, and more sustainable pool disinfection systems. Our anode technology helps reduce chemical handling, lower maintenance needs, and improves the swimming experience for people around the world.